Hey, everyone. Welcome to the Tech Charger YouTube channel. Are you looking for best Hume Health discount code? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to tell you biggest Hume Health discount coupon code that will help you to get best savings on your purchase for Hume Health Body Pod and all products. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with this video. To get the latest Hume Health discount coupon, all you need to do is just scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Click on it and it'll take you straight to the Hume Health official website. Here, wait for a second and you'll see a pop-up here like this. Now, click on Redeem button and you'll get your latest coupon code for Hume Health. Now, you just click on this copy icon and your latest discount code will be copied. I am not showing you the coupon code because coupon code changes for each user. Just click on description box link and get your latest discount coupon code. If you still didn't got your coupon code, see at the bottom right corner after clicking on description box link. You will see this button for flat $20 discount on your purchase from Hume Health. Now you are all set, just choose the product you want to buy and the discount coupon will be automatically applied to it. I am not showing you the coupon code because coupon code changes for each user. So, go to description box link and get your special coupon code. Don't wait. Head to the description box and claim your best Hume Health discount code. And don't forget to like and subscribe.